You know, I was watching back some of my MCC POVs today, and I realised I get really intense and annoying. So I'm just going to chill out and let fruit bosses about.
That's so true, Tommy. Great observation.
I love how Tommy said this for the past 3 MCCs and then ends up bossing everyone around. Anyway.
Jack, if you're not going to go hunting within the first 2 rounds, I'm going to fall out with you.
Tommy and it will be like, guys, I'm taking a backseat this MCC. I'm going to let the other person be in charge. And then by the middle of the event, he's like, right, what we need to do? We all need to take it seriously, guys. Seriously, guys.
Let's be honest.
What? Oh, mate, you just unlocked a new laugh out of me. I've never done that before.
There's just no Minecraft.
You laughed so hard, you nearly vomited. That was like that was.
No, holy shit. Oh my god.